only at divisional level, and it is a web interface between the Commissioner's Office and the Sugar Tribunal. And we'll talk about that. Ladies and gentlemen, again, good morning and a warm welcome to all of you. Again, it is a privilege to officiate the launching of this first ever GIS interface mapping tool for the Commissioner Residence Office. This is the proof of partnership and cooperation between agencies, as alluded to by Ms. Susau. Cooperation between the Sugar Tribunal, UNDP PRRT program, and the Office of the Commissioner's Resident. I would like to make special mention of some individuals who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes in order to make this happen, or to make this a reality. Mr. Tim Roman, thank you, sir, for allowing your staff to share their knowledge and skills. And we have actually worked industriously to be able to bring to us what we are witnessing here today. I know Mrs. Vasity Soko is away on study leave, but please convey to her our appreciation, and also to the team here, our appreciation and gratitude for the work done. We acknowledge their expertise and knowledge capacity in this field, and to be so generous in sharing their skills and knowledge in this project. Mr. John